Hello and welcome to Play PKN, the weekly video bulletin bringing you the top stories from packagingnews.com.au. I'm Ian Ackerman, editor of PKN. In the news this week, the Australian government announced the establishment of a new recycling modernization fund. The government said the fund would generate $600 million in recycling investment, create up to 10,000 jobs, and divert more than 10 million tonnes of waste from landfill. The government committed $190 million to the fund, which it said is contingent on co-funding from industry, states and territories. The fund is to support innovative investment in new plastic infrastructure to sort, process and remanufacture materials such as glass, mixed plastic, paper and tires. Industry players and associations welcomed the announcement. The Australian Packaging Covenant Organisation CEO Brooke Donnelly said it would go a long way to increasing recycling rates in Australia and also to delivering on Australia's commitment laid out in the 2019 National Waste Action Plan. And packaging giant Pact Group also welcomed the establishment of the Recycling Modernisation Fund. Its CEO, Sanjay Dayal, said the initiative would unlock significant economic and employment opportunities and advance Australia's domestic recycling industry. Also in sustainability news this week, Coles and REDcycle announced they had diverted more than 1 billion pieces of plastic from landfill. They have worked together since 2011 to recycle plastic bags and soft plastics that cannot be recycled through most curbside services. The program now collects an average of 121 tons of plastic per month. And finally, a report from Research and Markets projects that the global packaging market size will grow from the current $909 billion to topping $1 trillion next year as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. The report said the drivers behind this growth include increased demand for fast-moving consumer goods, increased demand for pharmaceutical packaging, and rising e-commerce sales due to lockdowns. That's all for Play PKN this week, which was brought to you by FoodMac. As always, for more on these stories and all the packaging news for Australia and New Zealand, head to packagingnews.com.au. I'm Ian Ackerman, signing off for the week.